Welcome back, everybody. My name is Stefano, and I'm here to guide you on this journey to master our platform and enhance your learning capabilities. This is the 6th video in our first private tutorial series, where we delve into more than just study techniques. We explore how to transform your learning experience. You already know there are no magic silver bullets in learning. True progress requires effort. But it's not just about working hard, it's about learning to appreciate the challenge. This aligns with the growth mindset concept by Carol Dweck, emphasizing the value of effort and resilience in learning. Today, we are tackling the heroic cultural frame and the contrast between such glorified notion of cramming for exams in a sleepless 48 or 72-hour rush and the steady, consistent approach we advocate. While the heroic approach might offer short-term gains, it is flawed in the long run. Knowledge gained in such haste is often shallow and fleeting, lacking the deep roots needed for long-term retention and understanding. But why do students resort to this approach? Beyond the allure of appearing cool and heroic, it's often a response to deeper challenges like procrastination, anxiety, or undeveloped study skills. Procrastination can lead to a cycle of looming deadlines, resulting in anxiety and a frantic rush to cram. This behavior is a symptom of larger issues, such as feeling overwhelmed or underprepared due to a lack of early engagement with the material. Peer influence and cultural norms also play a role, sometimes reinforcing the idea that last-minute studying is a norm or even a necessity. However, students might not realize that this perception overlooks the benefits of consistent, structured study habits and the effectiveness of active learning strategies. This heroic approach can become a self-defeating cycle, leading to short-term success in exams but failing to foster a deep, lasting understanding of the subject matter. It's also mentally and physically demanding, often culminating in burnout. Our goal is to help you develop sustainable study habits. Embracing a steady, consistent approach not only aids in retaining information more effectively, but also reduces stress and anxiety, paving the way for a healthier, more balanced academic life. Instead of high-pressure cramming, adopt a more effective approach, an extended period of exposure to the material, ideally spanning 2-3 months. This duration is crucial, not just for the hours you spend studying, but also for the days and nights that pass in between. This passage of time plays a critical role in consolidating your learning. That's what we mean by exposure period. It's not merely the hours you dedicate to study, it's the entire span of time during which your studies are interspersed with daily life and restful nights. This time allows for the mental processing and integration of knowledge, which is as vital as the active study sessions themselves. Atlhas Tutor's automated review scheduling system is designed to leverage this principle, helping you to review material at optimal times to maximize retention and understanding. Let's explore 2 metaphors. First, athletes don't prepare for a competition with a 48-hour non-stop training session. They train consistently over months. Similarly, child's learning is steady and exploratory. Every day, they add a small piece to their knowledge puzzle. And they do not even need to pay attention to learn. They can learn passively, while intent on another occupation. These metaphors illustrate the importance of consistent and natural learning. At university, learning becomes more complex. Not only is the knowledge puzzle itself more sophisticated, but adults must also engage actively in the learning process, a stark contrast to the more passive absorption typical in children and adolescents. Our platforms brick layering feature is specially designed to handle the increased knowledge sophistication. It allows for an in-depth exploration of study materials through a structured, step-by-step approach, ensuring that each concept is understood thoroughly before moving on to the next. It is integrated in our note-taking feature, which by itself encourages active creation and engagement with the content. Together, these tools guide you through the complexities of your studies one step at a time, ensuring a comprehensive and deep understanding. Developing steady, sustainable study habits is key. It's not about being heroic, it's about being consistent. Find personal meaning in your studies to drive intrinsic motivation. Embrace self-regulated learning, where you take control of your learning process, set goals, and reflect on your progress. In summary, move away from the idea of heroic last-minute study marathons. Embrace consistent, well-structured learning strategies that include active engagement, self-regulation, and techniques like spaced repetition. Remember, every step you take on this platform is part of a journey towards effective and enjoyable learning. We are here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Start using Atlhas Tutor and see you in the next videos.